Hello friends! Today we're taking apart the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 514 Gen 10 to show you what's inside and how easy it is to upgrade. As always, you'll find detailed benchmarks, battery tests, and more in our full review at laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Let's begin. First, we have to remove the 5 screws that secure the bottom plate. We'll do it with a Torx T5 screwdriver. We start prying from this corner. The front clips are tight, so slide a plastic pick carefully around the edge. Done! The cover lifts away, giving us the first look at the internals. The 84 watt-hour battery is held by 3 Phillips screws. Out comes the first one. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. We don't want to put spoilers, but the energy-efficient components of this IdeaPad Pro 5 and the big battery makes this model a strong candidate to get into this ranking. Always disconnect the battery cable to cut power before touching any other components. There is one free 2280 M2 slot that accepts PCI Express 4 NVMe drives and has an additional standoff for smaller drives. We ordered a 1 TB storage configuration and we see it here, on the other M2 slot, which is a smaller 2242. The factory SSD is SK Hynix PVC-10. We've also seen it in the latest Lenovo Yoga 7i models. You'll find information about storage speeds and SSD reliability in the full review on our website, laptopmedia.com. And this looks like a warranty sticker. We'll just put it back. All memory is LPDDR5X8000 soldered to the board. Choose 16, 24, or 32 GB wisely because you can't upgrade it later. The wireless card is socketed. Our unit carries an MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 MT7920 2x2 and Bluetooth 5.3, so future upgrades are possible. According to Lenovo, these 2 heat pipes and twin fans will provide stable clocks under heavy loads. But how effective is that thermal system in real-world tests? What about the display, performance results, and build quality? You'll find the answers to these and much more in our detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Thanks for being with us today. If you want us to open more machines, subscribe to our channel.